Alright, so the driving light on the passenger side is out on this thing. It's actually very common for this generation of this vehicle. So, you know, the Yukon, Yukon XLs, Suburbans, Tahoes, Silverados, GMC, Sierras, all of those. It's just something, if you've got one, it's going to happen. Now, this process is extremely difficult. I'm not sure why we're doing it today because we don't really have that much time. But I did get a set of LEDs, and so we're gonna start this long, difficult process of removing these lights. Now, I made sure to collect all the proper tools beforehand, and this is what you do. Man, that was hard work. There's two pins, these little L-shaped pins that go into the headlight assembly to hold them in there, and they sit in here just like this, and you twist them out and you pull them up, and the headlight assembly comes right out. So we're working on that lower inner light right there. That's the driving light that's out. And then if you come down here after you remove the assembly, this is one of those twist off. Now there's like a little clip on the underside. You got to push in and then you twist. Now it's cold out, so there we go. And there you have it. There's the bulb right there. I was joking about the tools. I didn't think we needed anything. But there's a clip on the inside of this bulb that I'm just going to have to pry away here. That's crazy. So there you can see how the bulb is, the base is just burnt all the hell. Just the fact that we're putting LEDs on in there should help immensely. So we'll get this one pushed all the way in. Just making sure there isn't any tabs I gotta line up. And there's none. So that's the comparison of the two different bulbs, the LED versus the incandescent. Clearly the LED looks superior. It might be time to start swapping these all out. It's pretty much repeat the process for the other side, so I'll do that real quick, and the bulbs will be good to go at least. Woo! Those are pretty. So there we are. The two LED running lights completely installed. They will run cooler, last longer, won't burn up my housing anymore. And a link for the bulbs that we picked out for this will be in the description, so you can go ahead and click that link if you want to check them out. Also, for anyone who noticed, yeah, I fixed the bumper.